What's up guys, welcome back. So yeah, not too long ago you saw me. I installed the speedo gauge. So today I will be installing my last gauge out of 7 gauges. I'll be installing my last gauge, and that would be an AFR air fuel ratio gauge. So I'm quite excited. There's a lot of sensors and a lot of things that I've received with this oak, so I don't know. I'm gonna see what I can do. Maybe if I do struggle, I might call a friend or someone to assist me. But yeah, so this is basically what we start with. So it's the gauge, then there's 3 wiring harness, 1, 2, 3, and then as well the sensor. Okay, so we can start. I'm going to start with the gauge. Let me take everything to the car. Like you guys know, I enjoy sitting in the car and working here. So yeah, there's the other gauges. Now it's installed. Now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then my last gauge is now my AFR air fuel ratio gauge. I'll cluster just for now, and then all of the plugs at the back I'm also going to remove it for now, just so I can install the gauge and see what goes for what. So let's start with installing the gauge first. I hope there's instructions that comes along with it, because like I said, I've got no cooking clue how to wire this gauge at all. Okay, so we'll start with the first thing. Here's the packet with things, and looks like controller module. Okay, I won't need anything. So let me start installing the bracket first. Now that we are all done with that, now we can start with the instructions. Okay. Let's see if there's pictures first. Okay. See, it seems like we need the one that okay, we need this one, and okay, now it seems like one of them must go in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin. Not this one. I believe it's going to be this one. It must go in here. Okay. Okay, we've got this one. Then from there it goes into a small box. I believe this is the small box. Goes into a small box. Just want to see which side. Okay, seems like it goes in here. Okay, then there's another one that is going to give it power. Here it's this guy, this oak. Okay. I actually don't think I need this wire this long, but we'll sort it out. Okay, so this oak goes in here. Okay, let's just see. Okay, the red wire is battery 12 volts. Okay, the white wire is ignition switch. Okay, black is the engine ground, and then orange is the dimmer. Okay, so the orange one I'm not going to use it. I don't use the dimmer because I only want it on one color. So I'm going to cut the orange one off, as I will not be using it at all. Okay, then we still have another wire, and then as well still have this guy that's left, the sensor. Okay, this is now where I want to find things out. Oops. Okay, so I believe this is then goes into the exhaust. I will read the full instructions now. Okay, so this is actually not that difficult. I really thought it's going to be much more difficult and complicated, but it seems like it's actually not. It's actually quite easy. Actually quite really easy. Okay, so then this oak plugs in here at the back of this box, just like that. Then this oak goes all the way through to this one, and that one obviously goes into the engine bay. So that's basically it. So the only thing, I just need to give it wiring, give it power, and then install this into my exhaust. So I see it says a minimum mounting angle for the LSU 4.9 sensor is 10 degrees, the minimum. Okay, that's awesome. So that's it. I really thought it's going to be much more complicated than that, but it seems like it's not actually that complicated at all. Okay, but I don't know, this thing must be very clever. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I think this thing must be very clever. Okay, so let me give it power. Okay guys, so I'm finally done with my gauges. I installed all of my gauges now, from the first one, boost gauge, voltmeter, oil pressure, AFR, then I've got my speedo, my tachometer, and then as well my water temperature. I will show you guys what it looks like. When I switch all of them on, I don't know if you can see there. I hope you'll be able to. Otherwise, if you can't see it, it's fine. Just go to my Instagram. You'll be able to see a much better, clear picture there, because I'm taking it actually with my phone and not with this camera. So yeah, as well guys, what I've noticed something is that in some of my videos that I post on YouTube, it's very glitchy. Like it's I don't know, it's not smooth. The video is not smooth. I just want to apologize for that. I'm using a laptop that I got, that I bought for cheap. So I thought it would maybe just help to just assist me with making the videos, but unfortunately it's not that good. So I will be buying a new one in the future. But yeah, so just it for now. Please excuse. I will fix that problem soon. So now let me show you guys what it looks like. Put negative on it and then connect the rest. There we go. As you guys can see, it's nice and beautiful. I really like it. So yeah, that's all for now, guys. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do in my next video. I would love to finish up with my wiring so that I can at least start the car again. I still have to do the alternator, and I still, yeah, I need to do the wiring. The wiring is not that bad. I've got most of the things solved. And then I still have my hydraulic e-brake as well that I would also still like to install, but I'm not going to do it now. And then yeah, so still have a few things to put back, but I think I'll see. I think maybe on my next video I'll just finish up with the wiring so I can at least start the car, and then we will see from there. Maybe I can get something else to install. But yeah, like I said, the car's coming on now, especially the inside of the car. I can't wait to go racing, can't wait to go drift, drag, circuit racing. I really can't wait. It's going to be super excited as we are getting there now in style. So yeah, if you guys have watched this video, thank you very much. Really do appreciate it. Then yeah, like I said, that's it for today. So guys, please enjoy. Then I'll see you next time. Cheers.